Hello, today I'm gonna do press-on nails with this nail from Shein, and I want to show you a method to measure your nails when you are ordering from a nail artist. And using the coin method, where you take a picture with your hand flat on the table and a coin next to it, then you will send a picture to your nail artist and they will be able to create some press-on nails with the correct size for you. I have tried the other method where when you measure with a measuring tape in millimeters, and it's actually not as accurate as you think. I like this way better because it was exactly the sizes that I normally use. In today's video, I'm just showing you step by step on the design that I created already in a short. I already put a short out with this design, but I just wanted to show you step by step how I did it. And apparently my dog Chica is calling me for something. Are you hungry, Chica? Let me finish this video, Chica? So I'm just going here with, I went already with some base gel, and then I went with this beautiful color from AIMEILI. I'm gonna be working on Frenchies. Frenchies are difficult. Sometimes people think, oh, look how simple, just nice and elegant, some simple Frenchies, but simple Frenchies are not that simple, believe me. They are hard to do. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna create some Frenchies. I'm gonna go and feed my Chica, my cute Chihuahua, and then I'll be right back. Once I'm done painting the Frenchies, I'm gonna cure them for 60 seconds, and I'm gonna be moving on to chrome and applying chrome directly onto this gel polish. And I'm surprised that it's attaching very well to this to regular gel polish, because most of the time the chrome will only attach to black gel polish or top coat. But in this case it was working out, so I just went onto this polish directly and applied it. Maybe the formula is a bit different. And what I'm doing is creating a heart with top coat. Then I'm going to go ahead and wipe the whole chrome with acetone, and it's gonna be left behind just the heart that I'm painting with top coat. I'm gonna go ahead and create other chrome designs. The thumbnail and the pinky are gonna have a little bit of texture, like a 3D kind of, with top coat. It's not gonna be extremely thick. When I do 3D, I prefer just to have a more like a like this, more like a thinner layer. I don't want it to stick out so much. I'm gonna be using these beautiful stickers from Shein just to place them on the right on top of the Frenchie here. These stickers are really cute and very easy to use. If you are not very good with nail art, stickers for sure are a good option. I completed all the nails with top coat and everything. I cured the top coat for 60 seconds. I used an AIMEILI top coat. And now I'm going to dehydrate my natural nails with acetone to apply the press-on nails. In this case, I'm going to be using sticky tabs. The sticky tabs are good for 1 day wear only. If you want your press-ons to last you longer, it's better to apply them with a high quality nail glue. And what I'm doing here, I'm just choosing the sizes for each of my fingers. And once I have all my nails, I'm gonna go ahead and apply them. I'm gonna make sure that the sticky tab fits the whole entire nail. I'm gonna peel the protective layer and then press down the nails for a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching my video and being here, liking and commenting. I really appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.